Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hide March route on the Evony application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to your home page and click on this three dots button that you can find on the right side of the screen. This is the More button. Then tap on Settings. After that, you should click on Options, which is the third button. Then scroll down until you can find the March settings section, and within this you can find the do you want to hide the March route. You won't see other players' March routes on the world map. So if you would like to enable this feature, just tap on the button on the right side and then it will be enabled automatically. If you would like to turn it off, just tap on the button again and it will be disabled. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.